2, we are given a question that says, which of the following mixture can be separated by the means of filtration? So before we move on to the answer, what is filtration? What is filtration? Now, filtration is just typically when you have two substances that can partially mix together. That means I can use the word insoluble. For example, when I have the combination of water plus chalk. When I have my water with chalk, water cannot dissolve chalk. That means even though it can dissolve chalk, but it's not going to make it dissolvable. At least you are still going to see some particle of the chalk in the bottom of the water. So it's a sign that water cannot dissolve chalk completely. In that kind of case, it is an immiscible, or we call it insoluble mixture. So filtration is the separation of such mixture. In our filtration, we have some instruments we call funnel. We have filter paper. We also have measuring cylinder. So these are the instruments we make use of whenever we are making use of filtration. And also we have control also. Control helps us to separate the insoluble particle from the water. Now let's go to our options to see which of the substances can be filtrated or not. Coming to our options, the very first option given to us is sodium chloride and potassium triazonitrate. Note something. Sodium chloride, which is NaCl, plus potassium triazonitrate, which is KNO3, they are both salts. So when I apply water to them, they will both dissolve with water. So that means they cannot be filtrated. That means option A is wrong. Coming to the next one, sodium chloride and sand. Now when you look at sodium chloride can dissolve, which is a normal salt, can dissolve in water, but sand cannot dissolve in water. Definitely, for me to separate sand, I need to make use of a filter funnel, or I make use of filtration to separate it. So that means option B should stand at the right answer. When you consider other options and see here as sodium chloride and lead triazonitrate, it's also a salt. And you know that both salts can also dissolve in water. And now in case we have sodium chloride and sugar. Your normal salt and sugar can dissolve in water. So therefore, the only option that stands as the right answer is option B, which is sodium chloride and sand.